Located in coastal Barrington, this charming and spacious contemporary home offers an open floor plan filled with rich hardwood floors and tall ceilings. Recently, and very tastefully remodeled, the modern design and comforts of this home make it ideal for any living situation. The expansive living room is an elegant setting with ample space to entertain any number of family and friends. A unique double-sided corner fireplace adds ambiance and warmth to the living room, as well as the abutting kitchen with stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and granite countertops. Step down to the sun-filled dining room, where walls of windows illuminate the space. Enjoy picturesque views overlooking the river and breathtaking sunsets. The first floor has a spacious and private bedroom with a full bath and a large shower perfect for guests. Tucked off the side entry of the home is a step-down family room with vaulted ceilings and an area for a home office, computer area, or a cozy retreat. Off the back of the home is a lovely deck overlooking the glistening Barrington River. On the second floor of the home is a spectacular master suite with a private balcony with water views, walk-in closet, and a spa-like bath. Additionally, there are 2 generous bedrooms and a full bath. Enjoy easy access to the Barrington River from your backyard for all types of water sports and boating activities. The partially fenced-in yard provides privacy and has a fire pit and charming garden shed. This seaside gem is located within a block from the Barrington Town Center, filled with locally owned businesses, charming shops and restaurants, as well as the historic town hall and library. The East Bay Bike Path is also just a few blocks away. Providence is only 20 minutes away, where you can enjoy the lively culture and nightlife. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Stamp at area code 401-480-5574.